All of a sudden, smartphone brands started adding 48 megapixel sensors on their phones, and not just the flagships, but even the budget and mid-range phones are now getting 48 megapixel cameras. This megapixel war is definitely not going to stop anytime soon. In fact, recently, Qualcomm's senior director of product management said in an interview that we would most likely see smartphones this year with up to 100 megapixel cameras. If you don't know, some Qualcomm processors like Snapdragon 660, 670, 675, 710, 845 and 855 support up to 192 megapixel single camera. But for that, some of the useful features like multi-frame noise reduction and zero shutter lag must be disabled. Now, Lenovo might just have revealed that its upcoming flagship is launching with a mind-blowing 100 megapixel camera on the rear. The Lenovo Z6 Pro is launching in April, and the company's vice president teased the phone on Vivo with the hashtag that says billion pixels or 100 megapixel. Now, Lenovo cannot be trusted with its teasers and all the claims that the company makes before the actual launch, so this could be a strategy to hype the launch of Z6 Pro. There is no 100 megapixel camera sensor for smartphones in the market currently, but as Qualcomm said, we might see phones with 100 megapixel cameras this year. Moreover, this could be a software trick as well. If you don't know, the Oppo Find 7 was the first phone that could take 50 megapixel photos. But the thing was, it had a 13 megapixel camera sensor, so it was the camera software which did all the magic. The Lenovo Z6 Pro might use the same technique to take 100 megapixel photos. Well, nothing can be confirmed as of now, but one thing that is confirmed is that it is a premium flagship from the company, so expect something crazy for sure. What do you think of a 100 megapixel camera on a smartphone? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.